The T-Rex FuelTank Goliath power supply, featuring 5 outlets for 9 volt or 12 volt DC operation, choosable with the voltage selectors on the right hand side. The Goliath features a dedicated 18 volt DC outlet, and it also features a dedicated 12 volt AC outlet. The first 5 outlets is capable of 450 milliamps each. The 18 volt DC is capable of 250 milliamps, and the 12 volt AC is capable of 450 milliamps. Goliath also features a detachable power cord, and the fuse holder is easily accessible from the outside. Using a small screwdriver you can change the fuse should it ever blow. The Goliath also features a voltage selector switch that allows you to use the Goliath in most parts of the world, and you can switch it from 230 volts to 150 volts, and you can switch back and forth if you're playing in various countries around the world. The Goliath ships with different cables for connecting different pedals. Of course, there's a mains cable. Also, there's a link cable that will allow you to power up to 5 pedals from one outlet. Then we have included a polarity converter cable for pedals that are not center negative. Pedals that are center positive needs this cable to run. Also, for the 12 volt AC outlet number 7, we've included these two cables. One is 2.1 millimeter and one is 2.5 millimeter, so they will fit various pedals out there that run on 12 volt AC. We've included a mini jack DC power cable as well. Then we have 2 standard DC-DC cables. We have included 4 medium length DC-DC cables for standard connections. And we've also included 2 quite long cables should you place your pedals very far away from a Goliath. And the last cable is the green current doubler cable, which will allow you to utilize 2 outlets. If you set those 2 outlets to the same voltage, then you can actually double your current from the Goliath. So that will eventually give you 900 milliamps to play with if you use the green current doubler cable. What we're looking at here is the mounting bracket that comes with the Goliath, and the mounting bracket allows you to connect the Goliath to the bracket and then connect the bracket to your pedal board. And the way this is set up right now is the bracket is screwed to the Goliath, and then you place the power supply on your board, and then you can use wooden screws to attach the bracket to your board. It is very important that you use the short screws that comes with the Goliath. The Goliath can also be mounted on the underside of a tone trunk like this. As you can see, the bracket is covered with the hook and loop, so you can still attach your pedals to the top of the board. If you mount the Goliath this way, you have to use the long screws that comes with the Goliath. And this is the only case where you have to use the long screws.